guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have some new cosmic brushes in my stash to share with you guys today. This is their new Winter Wonderland palette, and of course I picked it up directly from their website. Cosmic Brushes is a UK-based indie makeup brand, and this palette unfortunately is out of stock at the moment, but hopefully they will restock it, and it does retail for $36 US. Let's take a peek inside this 20 pan color story. If this doesn't scream Winter Wonderland, I don't know what does. In this palette, you are getting obviously 20 different shades. 12 of those shades are going to be mattes. 2 of them are multi-chromes. There is 1 duochrome, and then there are going to be 4 more traditional shimmer shadows. I will say that I really enjoyed the way this palette swatched out, and I've had a really good experience with cosmic brushes. I think I will create a playlist, and I'll have my cosmic brushes playlist linked in a pinned comment so you guys can go back and check out some of the other videos that I've done. I had all plans and hopes to do 3 looks today, but time has got the best of me, so I'm going to be creating 2 looks with this one, and I will definitely owe you guys a 3rd look. Hopefully you guys have this palette already, and I'll be able to give you guys some inspiration. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and I love trying out new makeup, especially indie makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. I tend to upload as much as I can. And if you are a fan of cosmic brushes, or you're just curious about this Winter Wonderland palette, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, I'll have everything that I'm wearing linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's dive on into this palette, guys. If you guys want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with the Bella Beaute Bar eyeshadow primer. Bella Beaute Bar has some new goodies coming out, and I do have an affiliate code with Bella Beaute Bar. It is Steff10, and that gives you 10% off of your order. Where do we want to start? I know you can't see the rest of my dress, but it's a black, and like there's a little bit of blue and purple and pink on the pleated skirt on the bottom. So I think this palette is going to pair perfectly with that. I really want to focus on like the greens for one of the looks, but let's start somewhere up here. I think I'll start first with Blanket, and then I'll work my way into Calm, and then I think I will go into Magical. Let's see how those 3 mattes will pair with one another. Now I'm taking the shade Blanket on a Game Beauty E01, and I'm going to focus this right here in the inner corner, but I'm also going to bring it up closer to the brow bone. Let me know if you guys pick this palette up. What are your thoughts so far? I've really been enjoying this brand. I discovered this brand last year in 22, and I've continued to repurchase when I can from them in 23, and I'll most definitely be purchasing from them going forward because I like the quality. Shipping is relatively quick. I always pay for the fastest shipping though. And this actually arrived the day before I left to Las Vegas last week. So I'm just now a little late to the game on this one, but better late than never. And I'm just hoping I can give you guys some inspo when it comes to this palette. Okay, so that went on beautifully. Now we're going to go into the shade Calm. Let me find a brush. Let's go over here to where I have my rougher brushes. I'm going to be taking Calm on a Rephr 15 Mini. And I'm going to focus that out here and also into the crease. All right, so these purples are doing an exceptional job. Sometimes purples can be finicky, but these are working out really well and they're blending perfectly with one another. Look at that. What a smooth transition there. Now on my Rephr 14 Mini, I'm going into the next shade called Magical. And this is what we're going to use to deepen up the outer corner, also to deepen up the crease. That's a really good purple. I am liking the blend from that a lot. Okay, let's go down to a shimmer. And I think I want to do a light blue shimmer. I'm looking at this one right here, Frost. Let's try this one out. Taking Frost on a damp Morphe M124. Ooh, this is so pretty. You know, I think I'll do another shade towards the outer portion, kind of just focusing this on the inner half. But I think we can squeeze one more in there. What do you guys think? All right, let's go into this shade, Comfort. Same brush, I just flipped it over and sprayed it. Okay, those are kind of similar, but I can see more of a purple shift in Comfort than Frost. Ooh, I love that. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of Magical, which was that darker purple matte. Just right in here. Ooh, look, I love that. That is so good. Okay, for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go down to this shade right here called Cold. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. I'm only gonna take it about halfway. Now I'm going to go back in with the shade Blanket, which was the first matte shade that I used. And I'm just going to kind of use that right here in the inner corner. And I'm also going to take it below this other shade. All right, now we got to go in with the title shade of the palette, Winter Wonderland, for the inner corner. Same little BH Cosmetics pencil brush, and I did spray it again. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm going to take care of the finishing touches off camera. I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Eyeliner on the top lash line. For mascara today, I'll be using this one from Tower28. And for the lower waterline, I went in with this one from LA Girl. It is their Shockwave Metallic Aligner in the shade Sequins. I absolutely love the way this look turned out, definitely living up to its name of Winter Wonderland. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I really want to use this shade because this is like one of the duo or multi-chrome shadows. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start in first with these shades right here. And then I'll probably go down to actually this one. So these 3 will be the mattes that I'll work with first. The first one is called Crisp. I'm using my Game Beauty E01. Same thing what I did over here on the right eye. I'm going to apply this lighter shade right here in the inner corner, but also bring it up close to the brow bone. Now in a Rephr 15 Mini, I'm going in with the next shade called Peaceful. Now on a Rephr 14 Mini, I'm going in with that darker shade called Showers. I think I'm going to deepen it up just a little bit. I'm going to go into this shade down here. This one is In the Moment. And I'm going to use that same brush I was just using. Yeah, this is the matte black. Just put a little bit more out here. I'm getting ready to go to work. So one of these looks is going to be going with me. I'll let you vote. look 1 or look 2 after you see the completed ones. And we'll see. I'll let you guys know in the comments when I get back from work which one I ended up wearing. And I do have an event right after work, so this makeup's got to look good for a good 14 hours today. That is some nice depth, and everything's building well, blending well with one another. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Atmosphere. Using my damp Morphe M124. Guys, I just noticed that my microphone died, the little lapel microphone, so I plugged in another one, and I'm hoping that the audio is great. If not, I will be doing a voiceover. Yeah, I just noticed, I think I just needed to charge it. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this one called Fresh Air. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Winter Solstice. Using my damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Ooh, perfect. I think, well, never mind. I was going to say something. Never mind. I am going to take care of the finishing touches off camera. I'm really hoping my audio is okay. I might actually film the rest of this video with my cell phone for just in case. But I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay, guys, so I am filming this portion with my cell phone just because I have better audio here, but here is the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one is in the shade Blue Trip. Love the way the looks turned out. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, share with you guys my final thoughts, and we'll play a guessing game as to which look I'm going to be wearing to work today. Okay, guys, so Winter Wonderland from Cosmic Brushes. Love the theme of the palette. This is your typical cardboard packaging, but inside, and you do get a mirror, are 12 amazing shadows. They have a really good formula, and I think they're at a really good price point. For $36 US, you're getting 20 shades. A few of them are multi-chromes and duochromes and some really nice pigmented matte shadows. I got to use quite a few shades in this palette, not all of the shades, but I definitely owe you guys a look. I love the way both of these looks turned out. I had a really nice time with this palette. I love a color story like this. You guys know I love colorful makeup, blues, greens, purples especially. Those are some of my favorite shadows, and I really think this embodies a winter wonderland. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. I am going to give this palette 2 big thumbs up. I'm very happy that I ordered it. I love it. I've loved everything that I've been able to try from Cosmic Brushes, and I hope to be trying some more of them soon. Again, this is a UK-based indie makeup brand, so shout out to all of my UK beauties watching today. Hopefully I was able to give you guys some inspo. Those of you who have picked up this palette, it is currently sold out, but hopefully they will do a restock soon. Let me know which look was your favorite. Are you team 1, team 2, none, all? Let me know which one you think I'm going to be wearing to work today. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.